Speaking of ice, how about exotic crystals of ice 19 being discovered?
Whoa.
Do me a favor, Will. Tell the people about ice 19.
Can I guess?
Yeah, go ahead.
There's 19 layers of ice.
That's not bad.
Okay.
I don't mind that. It's the 19th form of water ice discovered. The exotic four-sided crystals of this rare ice variety, now dubbed Ice XIX, form at ultra-low temperatures and ultra-high pressures. I don't know if this picture is... I don't think it's a picture of Ice 19, by the way.
Just regular ice.
Yeah, but it's like... It's a scientific discovery of a new type of ice. And the key characteristic here is really cold and pressure. Now, you know pressure is responsible for creating some of the most sought-after minerals and, I don't know, diamonds, and jewels, and things like this. So if you combine water and cold and pressure, then you might get something like this, a brand new form of ice, otherwise known as Ice 19. Now, this is all very complex. We're not going to go into the whole thing, but apparently you're much more likely to encounter the six-sided variety of snowflakes, which mirror the hexagonal arrangement of oxygen atoms in the crystals of water ice that make them. But regular six-sided crystals of ice are actually just one of its many forms, which are known as polymorphs. And until recently, 18 different polymorphs of water ice had been formally identified. Now you got 19, all right, Will?
Okay.
So you didn't expect...
I thought one was enough, but...
Just one type of ice.
Yeah.
Well, you've seen different...
I welcome more.
Right,
More ice.
you got room for more ice. Okay, cool. Well, I like the image as well. I start thinking about a high-pressure form of ice, and I want to imagine that it looks like this image, even though I'm not necessarily certain that that's the case.